In Laos, the Kung Law Cave guards a waterway carved by time linking villages to ancient trade routes. Local legends whisper of magical fish guiding travelers and of hidden chambers that once hosted monks who mapped these lantern-lit passages. Explorers retrace carved balconies and pagoda shadows, uncovering evidence of forgotten river kingdoms and the skill of river engineers who tamed the underground torrent. As boat lights weave through limestone arches, visitors feel history surge through the caverns, awakening myths with every ripple. This journey turns a quiet river into a living archive of culture, courage, and curiosity.